Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about table charts. Table charts are the key important charts that is used in almost every analysis. To create a dashboard without a table chart, it is not possible because there are some data points that has to be represented in a flat view. For example, we have some state, some country, and based on that we have some district, and let's say we want to show the total sales and what is the margin percentage that we actually got as a profit. So this type of analysis is giving you a very broad idea. But let's say we have some profit centers. For example, there are some keys that that indicates that this particular profit or this particular revenue is coming from this particular order. So instead of summing up the order as per the state, we want to look and go inside the data set, saying that we want to drill more, looking at which employee is responsible to get this revenue, and if we want to appreciate that employee or not. So these type of drills can be performed in table chart. So to create a table chart, just search for table, and here I am going to just add some dimension and measure. So for dimension, I am going to add dim 1, 2 and 3. So if you see, I have only dim 1 less data because dim 1 is actually selected. So I am going to add a measure as well. So I am going to create a measure saying that I want sum of this expression, and I am going to use one of my measures, master measures, and I will clear my selection, and as you can see, my master measure is actually working directly because all the formatting is done there, and this particular measure is coming as a raw. It doesn't has any formatting. So what we can do is, we have certain options available. So in all those, in dimension and measure, we have common options. For example, background color expression and text color expression. I can write an expression saying that if my value is less than, let's say, so and so value, so you please give me red color, and if it is higher, you give me green color. This is something that you can write for color as well as the background color expression. We have the option for text alignment, that we want it on the center, left, right. For measure, we have total function saying that if you want an average, you want the count, max, min, or you just want to sum all the values, or you want to just get rid of the total. That is also an option for that particular measure. And how do you want to represent it, as indicator, mini chart, or image? So text and image is one of the option that is available on your dimension as well. Indicator and mini chart are available in measures. So let's try to add a background color expression. So I am going to just write a expression here which tells that if the column value is less than 10, let's say is less than 8, then give me red, or else you give me green. This is a simple expression. So as you can see, who are below 8 are coming in red, else it is coming in green. So I can tweak it a little bit, saying that if it is like 49, you give me red. So this makes sense, and the same expression I am going to add it in my second measure over here. Okay, so this will create analysis, or I can add it in the text expression. As you can see, the color is changed. So I'll just zoom in for you all guys. See, the color is red and this color is green. So the color is changed for your text and your background. In this way, you can actually try to style your charts and create a whole new layout for your charts. For an example, I have a pivot chart that we are going to do in the next video, but this is kind of an example good for you that this is something that you can actually create. You can just give it a background color and you can try to highlight your columns.